Introduction of Python. Python is a high-level, versatile, and dynamically typed programming language that was first created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. It has gained immense popularity over the years due to its simplicity, readability, and a vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. Python's name is derived from the British comedy group Monty Python, indicating its whimsical and playful nature. Here are some key features and characteristics of the Python programming language. Readability. Python emphasizes clean and readable code through the use of indentation and white space. This makes it easy for programmers to write and maintain code, and it's often referred to as a language that's easy to learn and fun to use. Interpreted language. Python is an interpreted language, which means you don't need to compile your code before running it. This rapid development cycle makes it ideal for prototyping and quick development. Cross-platform. Python is available on various platforms, including Windows, macOS, and Linux, making it a versatile choice for developing software that can run on different operating systems. High-level language. Python offers high-level abstractions that allow developers to express concepts with fewer lines of code than low-level languages like C or C++. This helps in reducing development time and errors. Extensive standard library. Python comes with a vast standard library that provides modules and packages for various tasks such as file I/O, regular expressions, networking, and more. This extensive library reduces the need to write code from scratch. Dynamic typing. Python is dynamically typed, meaning variable types are determined at runtime. This allows for more flexibility but also requires careful attention to type handling. Object-oriented. Python is an object-oriented language, which means it supports object-oriented programming, OOP, concepts like encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Community and ecosystem. Python has a large and active community of developers, which has led to the creation of numerous third-party libraries, frameworks, and tools. This extensive ecosystem covers a wide range of domains, from web development, Django, Flask, to scientific computing, NumPy, SciPy, and data analysis, Pandas. Versatile applications. Python is used in various domains, including web development, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, automation, scripting, scientific computing, and more. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of projects. Open source. Python is open source, meaning it is freely available, and developers can contribute to its development and improvement. In conclusion, Python is a popular and versatile programming language known for its simplicity, readability, and extensive ecosystem. Its ease of use makes it an excellent choice for beginners, while its power and flexibility make it a favorite among experienced developers for a wide range of applications.